Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, these were the levels drawn for today's intraday trading, and then what was the plan? Plan was, let's say Bank Nifty is opening gap up somewhere here at this area and then starts moving up, then to go long is one plan. And if Bank Nifty opens below this swing low, yesterday's closing, then it's more of a wait and watch kind of a situation until it reaches this demand zone and to go long here. And that was the second plan. And if Bank Nifty is opening too much gap down somewhere around in this imbalance zone, then to go long as well based on the price action actually. Okay, so if I shift to lower time frame, so this was my first trade. You can see that Bank Nifty, took support somewhere here and started moving up and gives a pullback or the retracement. Based on the retracement, I have entered here itself into this trade and then averaged here and then took SL somewhere here and re-entered into the same position somewhere here. This is my second trade and then recovered the loss and closed in green. And then after that, this was my last trade. So I entered here into this trade and then yeah, so I had pretty much closed my day with the second trade itself, but then I saw this wonderful opportunity towards the end of the day and I had taken this position, this trade over here and captured good points in that as well. Unfortunately, I could not record the last trade to explain the logic behind the trade. So you can see that the price reaches the demand zone for first time, second time with a huge bullish candle, but price started to moving up and up again and then gives a pullback and takes support and then starts moving up with a strong bullish candle here. So based on which I have entered into this trade and then exited somewhere here, right at this resistance area. So with that, we made a profit of around 2,600 around in Zerodha and then 14,500. So overall profit of around 17,000 for today. So without any further ado, let's dive into our today's live trading session and see how I manage the trades there and learn something from it. Yeah. See you there. Thank you. I'll try to buy here 150 quantity of 50,400 I just bought. Okay, so the reason to buy here 150 quantity of 50,400 CE is you can see Bank Nifty was showing a little bit of a bearishness in the morning, but then after that it tries to move up and then gives a pullback, right? Based on which we have initiated when the Bank Nifty retraced 50% or the fib golden zone, right? So based on which we have taken this trade and yeah, I'll average with 150 more quantity if the buying price of the premium is around 141 somewhere, and if this comes to somewhere around 120, I'll try to average and my exit price would be around 100, so that I'll be losing somewhere around 10,000 around in this trade, and then we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. Averaged here with 150 more quantity, you can see that Bank Nifty has almost reached the support level. It may take a support at this and then at this price point and then tries to reverse, based on which I have added. But if this is going to reach my SL, I will exit this trade with around anything about 10,000, which is around 25 points, right, on the in the premium with the average buy price. I will exit this trade. We'll see how this goes on from here. So exited this trade, guys. So you can see that we crossed the 10,000 of loss, and then I had to exit this trade. Okay, with around 25 points of SL in this trade, right? With the average buy price. So that is fine. I have still left with some risk for today, and then based on which I will try another trade. Okay, we'll let you know if I take any more trades after this. Thank you. If this move is a manipulation or some sort of a trap kind of a setup where Bank Nifty reverses from here, I'll try to go long again, and that would be our last trade for today. We'll see if I take any trade. I'll let you know. Yeah, just bought 150 quantity of 50,200, little in the money this time. Um, Went further deep in the money this time because we are trading on expiry day. We have to concentrate on the premium decay as well, right? So to compensate the theta decay, we need to go little bit of in the money, more in the money, so that the delta of that in the money, premium would compensate the theta. Okay. So having said that, we'll wait in this trade. Um, and yeah, so this is based on, you can see that there is a huge bearish candle, after which it broke the low of the day's low, and then immediately there is a hammer formed, indicating a very good reversal, right? Based on which we have taken this trade, and this time I have taken only with 150 quantity, and I'm not going to add the quantity also anymore in this trade. That's how we have to risk manage, guys. So risk management is the very important factor that we need to concentrate always, right? So based on which I have bought only 150 quantity. I know that if I you know buy 300 quantity, I can maybe make a quick bucks and then get out of the trade. But then that is not how we need to risk manage, right? So you are already in a loss, and you lost with 300 quantity. Now that you don't have any leverage left to go with the full quantity or the full size, so we have to reduce the size a bit. So understand this concept. We'll let you know if this how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. So we are getting a wonderful momentum. You can see already we are back into green, and then yeah. So well, I'll be ready to exit the trade anytime. We'll try to exit the trade. Just close the trade here, guys. So um, yeah, we'll let you know if I take any more trade after this. After that, I have traded this last trade, wonderful opportunity that I got, and could not record this unfortunately. And then yeah, so with in that trade, I got close to 40 points of premium, and then like made close to 11,000 in this trade, and overall profit of around 14,500, and in Zerodha 2,600. So overall profit of around 17,000 for today. So that's all. Hope you have learned something. We'll meet you with another live learning session on options trading in the next trading session. Please subscribe, like, and share for more such learning content. Thank you.